Are you struggling to lose that stubborn belly fat? Have you tried countless diets and workouts only to find yourself back at square one? Well, it's time for a change. This video will guide you through a proven workout routine that targets belly fat specifically. First, warm up. Warming up is like telling your body, hey, we're about to do some work, get ready. Jumping jacks for 60 seconds should do the trick. They'll get your heart pumping and your muscles warmed up. Next, move on to the high knees. Stand straight, pull your right knee towards your chest, and then quickly switch to your left knee. Do this for a full minute. This is not just jogging on the spot. It's a full body workout that helps to melt away that belly fat. Now transition to the mountain climbers. Assume a push-up position, then alternate bringing your knee to your chest. This routine works wonders for your core, and yes, that includes your stubborn belly. Then it's time for the Russian twist. Sit on the floor, lift your legs and twist your torso from side to side. This exercise engages your entire abdominal area. Lastly, finish strong with the plank. Lie face down, then lift your body onto your toes and forearms. Hold this position for as long as you can. Your goal should be to hold it for at least 60 seconds. Now repeat this cycle 3 more times. Remember to keep your body hydrated and to stretch after your workout. Let's recap. Start with a warm-up, then move on to high knees, mountain climbers, Russian twists, and finish with the plank. Repeat this cycle 3 times. This workout targets your core, helping to eliminate that stubborn belly fat. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about doing it perfectly, it's about doing it regularly. So, start today, and before you know it, you'll be seeing results. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions around the globe are fighting the same battle. Keep pushing, keep striving, and don't forget to celebrate your small victories along the way. And that's it. A simple yet effective workout routine to help you shed that stubborn belly fat. Stay strong, stay consistent, and you'll see the results you're after. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.